Hi everyone, in this video we'll show you how to deal with checkboxes in Playwright. So I have an example here. So these are the checkboxes, and in Playwright we may have cases where we may want to check or uncheck checkboxes like this. And to achieve that, I'm gonna show you it with examples. Let's first inspect this and see how can we select this checkbox or this one, and then show you the methods to check and uncheck. So I think within this form we have an input of checkbox, and we can also differentiate these within the text, but for demonstration purposes it's not that important. Let's see if we can get this with input. Let's see, input, I think it should be type, then we write checkbox, yeah, and no, I think this should be nth element. It doesn't matter, because now we can assess this with Playwright. Like we can assess first element or maybe second. So let's demonstrate this here. So I have this link to go to the checkboxes. Now what I want to do is I want to get this locator. But now in Playwright you can also, like if you want to get the first element of this type, you can just write first, dot first, like this. And then here we don't want to click on this, we want to check this. So the first, we want to check the first element. So this method, it will check. It will check it. Now I think let's try wait. Now we don't want to okay, we can use lost, I think, here, yeah, but we can also use like second. I'm not sure if it's written like this, but let's try. No, it shouldn't be written like this. I think it should be written like this. Let's try this, and if it doesn't work, then we will debug this one. So to try this, write npx playwright test. Since there is just one test, we don't need to specify that here. Then we can specify the project. Let's say the project is Chrome, and then we want to debug it. So we just add this debug thing here. Now let's go here. So we go to the checkboxes. So you can see it has found that element, and now it will check it. So if we click check, it has checked it. But as you can see, this is not working. And I wasn't sure if it will work, but I did it purposely. So we will we will debug this together, since you don't have to always remember things by heart. That's not a good thing to try to learn something new. You can just always like try something, and if it fails, then you can debug it. Let's try lost in this case, if this method exists or not. Dot uncheck. Let's clear this. Let's run it again, and let's see if the lost works. Okay, yeah, so the lost one works. So you can also assess with the lost. But if that doesn't work, then you can include, it's not recommended to get elements with indexes, but this was just to demonstrate the checking and the unchecking. We could have also like selected them by text. Let's see now. Just a pause to see if that unchecked really worked, because we didn't see it. Okay, it checks, it unchecks. So it worked. So yeah, this is as simple as it can be to check and uncheck elements. Thank you, and see you on the next trick.